How you doing, everyone? I'm Sean O'Kane with Cadence Design Systems, and welcome to another edition of Did You Know? Well, has anyone ever asked you, what does Cadence do? Well, did you know that Cadence helps build the next generation of innovative products that people use every day? Electronics can be found everywhere. In your pocket, in your car, your workplace, in buildings and homes. Behind this newly connected, application-rich technology resides a quiet revolution in semiconductor design and manufacturing. And that's where Cadence resides. Take this virtual reality device, for example. There are real-world applications that could make this the must-have piece of technology.
This is used in applications like remote instruction, 3D computer-aided design, gaming, holographic attractions, entertainment, architecture, and much more.
These applications are enabled by both Cadence tools and Cadence IP to make these innovative chips happen. There are more and more of these devices hitting the market, so the images will continue to be more lifelike and the virtual experience will seem more like reality.
This processing unit is a custom-designed TSMC fabricated 28nm coprocessor that has 24 Tensilica DSP cores. Tensilica processors can be used for a lot of the complex processing, including vision processors.
So, did you know that this device was brought about by Cadence technology? So, without Cadence low-power processing designs, you wouldn't have a product like this. So now you know.